Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If your Windows 11 computer is experiencing random crashes, blue screens, or software glitches, your core system files might be corrupted. I will show you exactly how to repair these files using powerful command prompt utilities right now. Let's get started. First, you must open the Windows Command Line tool with full administrative privileges to execute system-level repairs. Open your Windows Start menu, type CMD into the search bar, and locate the command prompt application. Right-click on the command prompt entry in the search results and explicitly select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt to authorize the application to modify protected files. Next, before scanning local files, you should repair the underlying Windows Components store using the DISM command. Type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health directly into the terminal and press the Enter key. Allow the tool to connect to Microsoft Update servers to automatically download fresh, uncorrupted replacement files. Wait patiently for the deployment progress bar to reach 100% before moving to the final step. Finally, with a healthy system image, you can use the System File Checker to replace your local corrupted files. Type SFC /Scan Now into the exact same command prompt window and press Enter to initiate the verification scan. Allow the utility to check all protected operating system files and automatically replace the damaged data it discovers. Once the scan finishes and reports the repairs, restart your computer completely so Windows can successfully apply the changes. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.